Would you try out this swing? This rope swing is high on the side of a volcano in Guatemala and has a spectacular view. This volcano is called San Pedro, and it overlooks Guatemala's most picturesque lake, Lake Atitlan. To get to the swing requires hiking up some very steep terrain. You get here as part of a trip up to the top of the volcano. Hiking up through lush jungle terrain is beautiful, but it can be very hot. Coming to the swing is a welcomed break. We had to try the swing out. Because of how steep the mountainside is, as soon as you jump, you immediately feel like you're flying. The wind rushing past is exhilarating, and the view is incredible.